massive foundation rises, built by thousands working as one. Stability is achieved in one of the most unstable regions in space. A massive structure takes shape, rising layer by layer. Behind the structure, transparency begins to take form. The structure expands, now sealed with transparent strength. Materials from space are processed to support expansion. Raw materials are transformed into high-performance components.
Inside the structure, a living space begins to rise.
A powerful industrial network takes shape in deep space. Storage systems secure resources for continuous growth. The city rises higher and more advanced with every step. The city connects, turning structure into a living system. Beneath the city, a hidden network begins to take shape. A central hub manages all transport operations. Power begins to flow beneath the city.
Energy extraction expands across multiple zones.
Power begins to flow beneath the city. Life support systems begin to power the city from below. Air systems begin shaping a livable environment beneath the city. Beneath the city, a powerful fleet begins to form. Precision docking ensures safe operations in a dangerous environment. Above the system, a livable world begins to form. The structure's near completion, every detail perfected. The city transforms into a place designed for life. Every detail is completed, turning structure into a home. The city connects, reaching beyond its own world. The city transforms from structure into a place ready for life.
Inside every structure, a living space takes form.
Life spreads as the city begins to breathe.
As the city evolves, every structure reaches completion. The city doesn't stop. It continues to grow beyond limits.
The city evolves, blending technology with life.
The city reaches completion, sealed beneath a transparent sky.
The structure completes, yet continues to grow.
The system seals, and life begins to flow within. The city breathes. Life now exists within. Life is tested, and the system responds perfectly. Life is tested, and the system responds perfectly. Life arrives, and the city becomes a true ecosystem. Power ignites, and the city comes fully alive. Life arrives, and the city becomes a true ecosystem. Care begins as life settles into its new world.
The
sky fills with life, completing the ecosystem. The ecosystem expands, now capable of sustaining life.
The ecosystem expands, now capable of sustaining life. Life flourishes in perfect balance. Beauty takes shape as water brings life and balance. Beauty takes shape as water brings life and balance.
Every home connects to nature and life.
Every structure is refined, built for safety, movement, and life. Every detail is perfected, completing the vision. The city reaches beyond, drawing power from the universe itself. Power is no longer captured, it is mastered. A new system rises, designed to harness ultimate power. Production scales as power systems multiply without limits. The connection is complete. Power flows directly from the source. The network expands, turning power into an infinite system. The network expands, turning power into an infinite system.
The network expands, turning power into an infinite system.
Power is divided, fueling every part of the system. Protection rises, securing the future of the city. Protection rises, securing the future of the city. Protection rises, securing the future of the city. Defense expands, forming an unstoppable shield. The system defends, eliminating every threat before impact. The shield evolves, now alive and constantly watching. The shield evolves, now alive and constantly watching.
A connection is complete, uniting the city with space itself. The connection is complete, uniting the city with space itself.
The system evolves, becoming stronger, faster, and unstoppable. Precision docking ensures safe operations in a dangerous environment. Materials flow continuously into the station's production network. Energy collection begins from the most powerful source in the universe.
Massive energy streams are captured from the spinning disk.
Humanity evolves alongside its technology. Every part of the universe now moves as one. A new form of existence emerges beyond civilization.
New technologies redefine power and control.
Gravity itself becomes a tool of engineering. The black hole becomes the heart of a galactic empire. The black hole reaches perfect balance under control. The universe becomes a single, unified system. Control extends across space, time, and energy. Energy flows across the universe without interruption. Civilization reaches a new stage of evolution, powered by the black hole.